the control button, the helicopter's LED lights will switch on. Switch off if pressed again. Push the left joystick up. The helicopter rises. Push the right joystick up. The helicopter moves forward. Press the automatic demonstration button. Helicopter will do the presentation work automatically. Push down the right joystick. The helicopter draws back. Push the right joystick to the left. The helicopter turns to the left. Push the right joystick to the right. The helicopter turns to the right. If the helicopter is whirling in the air, only go in the opposite direction to adjust the turning knob. Hold the left or right launch button. The helicopter will launch missile continuously accordingly. Push down the left joystick. The helicopter drops down.